Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm showing you the adjustable torque spoke wrench from Warp 9. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you this adjustable torque spoke wrench from Warp 9. Really, this is a kit because it's going to come with everything that you need to get your spokes tightened up and torqued to spec properly. And this is a tool that I think every rider should have in their toolbox, in their garage, wherever you want to keep it, because having your spokes torqued correctly is important. You don't want them too loose, you don't want them too tight, and every manufacturer, even aftermarket wheels, they all have their own torque specs. So it's important that you're following those guidelines. If you're not sure what your spokes should be torqued to, look at your service manual and they will actually specify that for you. Now here's what's nice about this option from Warp 9. Price point, I think it's affordable. You're about $110 for this whole kit. You can have all the attachments needed from a 5.1 all the way up to a 6.9 tip. Also, if you do have, say, an aftermarket wheel spline drive nipples, well, they give you an attachment for that as well. But the reason that a torque or an adjustable torque wrench is nice is because just about every bike will come with a spoke wrench when you buy a bike brand new. Sometimes you buy a bike used, it doesn't have one. And look, I've done it. I know you guys have done it as well. You've got that spoke wrench, you're tightening down your spokes, and you're like, yeah, it feels about right. You know, come on, we've all done it. That is why you want one of these, because you can adjust this. It has inch, pounds, and Newton meters on here. So you just know what your torque setting is. You spin it, you get it to that exact setting, you tighten down your spoke, it'll click. Once it hits that torque setting, that torque spec, voila, you know your spokes are tightened correctly. So if you don't have one of these, like I said, I think it is a must-have tool. And what's cool too is that you've got the adjustable version, but they don't recommend that you use this one for disassembling your wheels. So they actually include just a standard handle. So if you're disassembling your wheels and maybe just putting it together, and before you actually get them snugged, you can just use this one. And then when you go to snug them down and get them torqued correctly, you switch over to the adjustable one. Also too, they do have a little rubber cover here on the end, so that's going to help protect your wheel when you tighten your spokes down. They've got a little conversion chart here on the inside of the lid, so if you just look at inch pounds, but you want to know how many Newton meters that is, they do the math for you, so very simple. So like I said, if you do not have an adjustable torque spoke wrench, it is a very good tool to have in the garage or the toolbox. Check your spokes, torque them correctly. If you have questions or comments, we will get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. Also, if maybe you're disassembling a wheel, you want to put a new one together, we have a how-to video that shows you how to start from scratch with just the rim, all the nipples, lace everything up, and get everything tightened down. So give that video a watch if you haven't done it. It is very useful. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com to grab yours today. As always, orders over $75 ship free. And if you like this product spotlight, and if you want to see more like it, well, get subscribed, hit the notification bell, stay up to date. I'm Chase. See you on the trails.